Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. Now today's video actually is a very important video, and I want all of you who are watching this video for manifestation, or if you're trying to manifest, to please watch it till the end, because what I'm going to say is one of the key things in manifestation. Now, a lot of the times, many of you have reached out to me and said that I have practiced gratitude or I have practiced the law of attraction, but things did not work out in the certain way that I wanted. Now, how can I still keep my faith strong when things are, not going in your favor, when things are not, going in the direction that you would probably want it to? Now, let me tell you something, that when you want something from the universe, okay, first of all, you have to first prove to the universe that you deserve what you're asking for. All right, so as I always, that's why I keep telling you all my videos that align yourself with your desire, work on yourself first. If you want love in your life, you have to radiate love. If you want a good job in your life, you have to first work towards yourself. In order to make yourself better, you have to get all those qualifications which would get you that job. So everything depends upon how you are preparing yourself, right? And also, sometimes I know it happens, and I'll tell you something, a story from my own life experience, that is, and that this is exactly what had happened to me. I was in India at that point of time, and there was this particular job for which I was trying to manifest in my life. It was, I will not take the name of the companies or anything, but this job was very important, and it was something which I really wanted from with all my heart. Okay, and I did all my visualization, I did everything right, and the job came to me. I got the job opportunity. It came to me. I gave my interviews and everything, and I passed all with flying colors. And I was very sure till the end that this job is going to be mine. But in the last round, for some reason, I did not make it. All right, I did not make it. And obviously, at that point of time, when you want something with all your heart and somebody comes and tells you that no, you cannot have that, it's very disheartening, right? But the person who was interviewing me asked me to stay back for lunch, because they had organized lunch for all the people who had come for the interview. Now, there could have been two attitudes which I could have shown in that case, because I was so hurt and I was so depressed with myself that I did not get the job. I should have walked out. That is normally what everyone would do. Everyone would say that, no, it's fine, I would not stay back, I have to go home, I have some work. Why? Because you are not in that happy or that vibrating zone. But what I did was, I said thank you very much and I would love to stay back. And I went and had lunch with all of those people who had rejected me at that point of time. Now, why I'm telling you this story is that this is the sign that you're giving to the universe, that despite the current circumstances, whatever the situation is going on in your life, what you are giving out is still positivity, because you have the faith that, okay, fine, this is just a situation. It did not turn out the way I want to, but I will hold myself strong. I will not let myself down. And that is exactly what I did. So after I finished the lunch and we had a chat and I came back home, I was very upset and I started crying. I really started crying, because that was something I really wanted from all my heart. But you know what I told to the universe? I said that if this opportunity has gone, I'm sure there's something which is 10,000 times better coming for me. And I'll tell you, exactly within a month, I got this opportunity and I'm here today. So when the universe brings you something and you really feel that this is all I want, but it is taken away from you, trust, because the universe is testing you at that point of time. He is trying, or the universe is trying to see that if, or how strong is your faith, how strong is your belief, because it's very easy to believe during times when everything is going right, but your belief and your faith will be tested when everything is not going in your favor. So the universe is always going to see how you react and what vibrations do you give out during times which are difficult. So that is something which will always keep happening, but do not lose hope on these situations. Consider it just as a test, that the universe is testing you. So, as I was saying, that a lot of you have reached out to me and saying that, giving me a situation where You have tried manifesting something and that person had come in your life, but the person stayed, but gradually they said no and they moved on, and then obviously you find that things are shaky and your belief, your faith is taken aback, and you find difficult to have that faith that is the universe really in favor? Why did it bring it to me in the first place, if it has to be taken away? Now another second point, to very very important point to remember, that every situation is a learning. Every situation in your life is an experience, and I'm telling you this today sitting here because I have had experiences in life which at that point of time I did not know why it was happening to me, and I kept asking the universe, asking God, that why are you doing this to me? I don't know what have I done to deserve this. And I'm literally telling you, these were my words. But today, sitting here in front of you making this video, I can only thank the universe for each and everything that has happened in my life. Because if those things would not have happened, the learning, the teaching which the universe is trying to tell you would have never been clearer to me. Every situation that was happening to me was teaching me something about myself, about situations, about people, about my own worth. That what I should do for myself, how I should stand up for myself, how I deserve better for myself. And everything that I was questioning at that point of time, I got the answers, every answer at the right time, at the right moment, that why it did not work out at that point of time. And trust me, just leave it to time. You may not have all the answers all the time at the right moment, at that very moment. But trust me, as time goes with, as you keep moving forward, as you keep learning, as I always say, learn from the experiences. As you keep learning from the experiences and you keep moving forward, every single thing that has happened to you will start becoming clearer and will start making more sense to you. And you will be grateful that all those things happened. Because today I am here because of all the experiences that I've had in the past. If I wouldn't have gone through those shitty experiences, the learning, the teaching about life, about myself, about what I deserve, about my own worth would have never been clearer. And today I would not have been sitting in front of you making this video. So I would not change any part of that story, any part of my past, because everything that has happened has brought me here. And if I change any part of that story, then I would not be sitting here. And this is exactly where I want to be at this point of time. This is exactly where I'm supposed to be at this moment. So please, when things go wrong or when things are not going in your favor, always remember one thing, that there is a learning, there is an experience. Now, I'll give you another small example. Say, for instance, if you're trying to manifest a relationship, or if you're trying to manifest a specific person, and the person comes into your life. But obviously, I'll tell you something. See, in the beginning, when people come into your life or when you meet people, you are always good to them, right? Nobody can know their true colors in the first day. Nobody comes and shows who they are really in the first time. As time goes, you get to know people more. You know about their habits. You know the kind of person they are. Now, if somebody has shown you or said after a few days of being with you that no, nothing is working out, I don't feel that connection or whatever, and they make an excuse and they just leave, or they suddenly disappear. That is one more thing, that people suddenly disappear from your life without saying anything. Now, do not take it on yourself. It's not your fault. It's the person who is incapable of either owning up and coming in front of you and being honest, that yes, I'm sorry, it is not working out. I thought it would. Appreciate if somebody comes up honest and clean in front of you, rather than faking things and making it look like something and then you come to know that it is something else. It is much better to have a clarity in your life rather than living in fake assumptions. Okay, so be grateful if the universe shows you someone's true color in the process. So what is the universe trying to teach you in this situation? That do not put your complete trust and faith, and do not assume everything. What you are seeing is you're seeing, but there are more to it. Give time to people. Learn to understand how people work. Okay, how people are. So you would have to get there in order to first get that perfect relationship. And that is also telling you that if somebody comes into your life and says that in the beginning says that, oh, I want to be with you and everything, and then after a few days says that, oh no, things are not working out. That the universe is trying to tell you, realize your own worth. You want a person in your life who would be with you despite anything or everything in the world. Obviously, cheating, lying are not mistakes. Please, guys, do not take this into consideration, that if your partner is cheating and lying, or lying to you, or is disrespecting you, or is abusing you, these are three situations which are not negotiable and not forgivable. Learn to realize your own worth. Your self-respect is above everything else, and if somebody hurts your self-respect, the person does not deserve to be with you. But I would not go into that detail, because obviously it's individual people's choices who they let into their life and who they don't. But just try to understand what the situation is trying to tell you, because there are nothing, and absolutely I'm telling you, there's nothing called coincidences in life. Every single interaction, every single person, every single situation that is happening to you has a lesson, has something in store for you. Either it would be an experience, it would be a learning, or it would be a reward. So learn from it and learn to be grateful, that you are having these experiences, because these are the experiences which is going to shape your future and bring you closer to what you want in your life and your manifestation. I hope this video would help lots and lots of you who are trying to manifest and who are trying to achieve your dreams and goals. Do not get worked up by situations if things doesn't work in your favor or things are not going. That is the time when when your faith has to be the strongest, that things will work out. So this is what I called as learn to trust the process. This entire thing, there is a process, right, which may not be visible to your eyes, but it's a process. Everything that will come to you will come through a way, and that way that it has to happen is a process. So learn to trust the process all the time. Have unconditional faith and learn to trust the process, even when it seemed to be very difficult for all of you, that yes, I'm not aligned, or I'm not getting what I want. It's okay to be sad, it's okay to be depressed. If you want to cry, if you want to get angry, do that, but then get back into your vibration, thank the universe for everything. And I'm telling you, from my experience, I'm telling you, everything works out the way it should. But one more thing is to be remembered is, you will keep attracting similar situations, similar people in your life, till the day you learn from that situation. Because I kept doing that. At a point of time, I was wondering that why does the same kind of people keep showing up in my life whom I don't want? Because there was a learning, there was a teaching that I was missing out in those situations. The day I learned from those mistakes was the game changer for me. And those kind of people completely moved out from my life, and the kind of people that then came in were completely amazing, and I literally mean amazing. All right. So I hope this video is fine. I mean, I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it, literally share it with every single person you can. Make this video go viral, okay? Because this is something I feel everybody needs to hear. And I know everybody goes through these kind of situations, but do not feel down. Do not give up in these situations. Do not lose your hope. Always remember, trust the process. Learn to trust the process. These are all happening just because your manifestation is on your way. Do not give up during these situations. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it as I have said, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icons so that every time I am online, you get a notification, because I make videos every single day now. Hope you guys stay safe, take care, and bye-bye. I'll see you all again tomorrow.